That's winner. And back foot, good shot. It could be this one. So again, loft. It could be a ball number 2. Back foot ஆடி இருக்காரு. 2 Sir, confusion பார்க்குறோம். Yes. 2. Good shot. Could be. Yes, it's 2 ball remaining. 5th one. It's a wicket. The bowling. Last one ball. Oh, Gopi, right-hander in. New batter. Could be catch. So ball number 2. Stop அந்த இடத்துல நல்லா ஃபீல் பண்றாரு. கேட்டா எஸ். ரன் அவுட். bowler first ball. Excellent deliveryங்க. Excellent deliveryங்க. Good shot, it could be. It's a big appeal. It's ball number 3. And loft, it could be catch. Destiny batter Sabarish. Catch. Yes, good take. So 6 wicket down for team Surprise 11. So ball on ball. All ball all run on. Again. Wicket kind of sacrifice. Yes, it's a run out. Wicket. So Raj நல்லா ஆடிட்டு இருந்தாரு. So ஒரு விக்கெட் எடுக்கறாங்க.